Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coombs and happy 4th of July to you, America's 250th birthday. Amazing to be a part of it and an honor to be an American. This is the greatest country the world has ever known and I am proud to be an American. And as you know on this channel, in the last few years, I typically do some kind of photo for July 4th, usually in the studio, and we're back in the studio today setting up a 4th of July shot. Now when I do these shots, they're always red, white, and blue themed, and a couple years ago I did popsicles and blueberries and blue soda. I've done Krispy Kreme donuts. One year I went around and photographed different firework stands. But this year I came up with something a little bit different. My grandmother had a book that we kind of acquired where she had a bunch of postcards. Now this postcard is of George Washington. Let me see if... I mean, this is an oldie. My grandparents were married, I believe, in 1919, and this has got her name on the back of it. I don't know if you can see that very well. And that is her maiden name. So this is probably, I'm guessing, early 1900s. Now this postcard was never mailed. There's no stamp on it, so there's no date. But I'm guessing early 1900s. And I just thought it'd be fun to make this kind of the subject of my 4th of July shot. I went out and got some fireworks, firecrackers, things to prop it with. Big shout out to Nikki at the fireworks stand. She was fantastic. I told her I wanted some vintage looking things and nothing was really vintage, but we came up with some good ideas. And then I just got in the studio and I just kind of put something together that was kind of fun and hopefully a little bit creative. Give a little technical information of what I did. I just had one light off to the side on a softbox with a grid. I ended up taking several photographs of the same thing because what I would do is take a mirror and reflect light into certain places in the image to kind of fill in some shadows. I brought them into Lightroom, did a little bit of processing. I warmed them up a little bit. I added some grain to give them kind of a funky texture. And then I took the 5 or 6 images, I can't remember how many it was, into Photoshop, auto-aligned the layers, and then put a layer mask on each layer, and then painted in the parts of that layer to add to the photograph. If you have questions about that, leave it in the comment section. I would be happy to kind of explain how I do that, but I just blended those 5 images together to make the one final shot. So, cropped it, finished it, here it is. So again, guys, happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Be safe, have a good day. It's very, very hot in South Carolina these days, so stay cool if you can do it. And if you got comments, questions, or anything, let me know in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Leave me a like if you would as well. I appreciate all of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.